Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. Thank you, teacher. My name is Ethan. My code is CA27. I'm from 341 house. There are 20 vowel sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 12 monotones in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 7 short monotones in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 5 long monotones in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 8 diphthongs in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 3 often diphthongs in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 5 closed diphthongs in the International Phonetic Alphabet. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, everyone.